I'm Chanchal.
Hi, I'm Isha,
And we are here today for the City Flow workshop.
conducted by Penkraft. So this was for Warli painting, and I am not an artist to begin with, but Warli painting is something that has been fascinating me for ages. It's so simple, it's just circles and triangles and lines, like she said. So it was really fun the way they guided us through the whole process, and now we have a Warli painting that we've done to frame in our own places. So that was amazing. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm April. The workshop was really beautiful. I made this art piece. Thank you so much to Pallavi and Simran's team. It was really fun and I'm looking forward to more such workshops. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Bhavani. I just attended a Warli painting workshop from Penkraft. It was amazing. Just went back to school days and had a lot of fun. All of you must try it.
So this Warli painting, I've been trying to do it in my building. I've been not been able to do it because I don't know much. But now with this experience, I think I can go ahead and do a little more art in my building. And Rihanna just loved it. Yeah, Rihanna, you're trying to do it, right? I hope you'll do it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks so much.
Hi, this is Shreya here and I have attended a workshop which is conducted by City Flow and also by Penkraft. It was a very nice, relaxing workshop, Warli painting workshop. And would like to attend more such workshops, and it was a very relaxing experience from the hectic work days. So thank you so much, City Flow and Penkraft.